Learn English. Welcome to English 8K. We learn 2 words every day and write them on paper flashcards. Today is Thursday, April 17th. Here are the 2 words we will learn today. Can you say number 1? Very good. Mouth. And number 2? Very good. Number 1, please listen and write this in your notebook. The cat's mouth is big. The cat's mouth is big. Mouth. The cat's mouth is big, the part with the teeth and the tongue. Now we can make a flashcard for mouth. If you have 2, the spelling is S, but usually we don't say that. We usually say my mouth or Bob's mouth. Please make a card like this. Write mouth up here in the top left corner. M-O-U-T-H. Down here in this corner, B-D-Y 1. This means body, level 1. And over here the number 17 out of 25. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. The red part sounds like ow, mow, mouth. Number 2, please listen and write this in your notebook. The weather is cold in February. The weather is cold in February. February. It is a month between January and March. And we don't pronounce the R. We say February. Now let's make a flashcard. Please make a card like this. Up here in the top left corner, February. F-E-B-R-U-A-R-Y. Down in this corner, month 1. And the number over here, 4 out of 12. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Fe-bru-e-ry. And many people say Febu. February. Game over. You did very well today. I am touching my mouth. Very good. And please repeat, February. But many people just say February. And if you are high level, here are the level 2 words. Number 1, pub. Yeah, this is a place where people drink. And number 2, to be round. Yes, like a circle. Number 3, to do something Probably, yes. This means there's a 75% chance. My name is Vinny from Canada. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.